once you have to start the habit of alcohol or smoking, after that, oh, I already drank yesterday, what is there today? I already started smoking yesterday, what is there now? You understand? All big habits, whether it is alcohol or smoking or marijuana, drugs. I am just giving you one example. There are something tons and tons. Everything which leads to our destruction, that constantly carrying the anger and fighting left and right with everyone. All this starts only as a small incident and becomes a pattern. You start taking a liking for these things. But I tell you, it's so wonderful. The space of integrity I tell you, this one truth, when I decided I will visibly show to everyone, the whole Sangha energy changed. An enlightened being or incarnation, is my integrity space never gets affected because I am completely integrated to that integrity itself. But my actions, people learn only from my action, not from my being. My being is never seen. It's avyakta, means unmanifested. But people see only the vyakta, manifested me. So I decided even in the manifested me, I'll show integrity. I could see now the whole Sangha energy became different. I did not have any struggle to live this integrity. From 2013, means from January 1st till now, 6 months or 7 months? 7 months, not a single program, single minute got delayed. I am maintaining the integrity. If I am not coming for some program, before itself I inform. Whether it is a morning Akkada or morning Pada Puja, before itself we plan. But not a single program, 1 minute delay from this January 1st. And my schedule is tight packed. Not a single session. Whether it is an inner awakening or NDY or NKY, I feel so fulfilled. Why? You know that only when you restore this space of integrity, I think only by after a few days of continuous completion you will understand how the slip in the space causes traumas, how retaining in the space keeps you in the highest energy and always successful. Always successful. Today I'll start the process of completion, deeper layers of completion. Still we have not started completion. You understand? We only identified mamakara, ahankara and anyakara. All of you understand? The journey of completion is the most auspicious happening in the journey of human consciousness. This is what is tapas, regaining your kingdom, Swarajya Siddhi, achieving heaven, achieving God's kingdom, whatever you want to call, you can call. Completion is the space that transforms you, gives you the strength, gives you the strength. Understand? The space you carry and the strength you show, See, when there is incompletion, you may have one body, but you are not even equivalent to one person. When you are complete, you may have one body, but you are equivalent to thousands of people. Because the space you carry. In Tamil there is a song, Ottayila nadandu varum ooru ivanda. Means, he may walk as a single, but the whole city is equivalent to whole city. With completion, you become that kind of a heavy energy field, strong energy field, intense space of being. Means anywhere you put your energy, that will flourish. You put your energy as a doctor, you will flourish. You put your energy as a lawyer, you will flourish. You put your energy as an engineer, you will flourish. The integrated space, the space of completion, makes you successful in any field you are in. Anywhere you are, because all your competitors are the pieces, you are complete. That itself is enough. You understand what I am saying? All the fellows who are competing with you, they are all disintegrated, incomplete. Half of their energy is spent in fighting with them. But you are complete. It's like a unfair competition. That's the truth. You will be the man among men. With completion, you radiate heroism wherever you are. Your presence will be so heavy. See, many times you can see the secretary or the subordinate will be running the whole system. If his presence is strong and heavy, and boss will be just pseudo or for namesake. How many of you have seen this happening in your life? Because it is the presence of the person, completion. See, without completion, you are a human being having some divine experience rarely. Because today and tomorrow, 2 days is dedicated only for completion of deeper and deeper and deeper, deeper layers. I'll explain step by step in every layers of completion. I tell you, please understand, with my integrity and authenticity I am telling you, when you complete, your body shape changes. I'll show you a very small video, just see, it's on YouTube. Any of you have seen this video, this forensic artist video? Any of you have seen? It's very nice, please watch, then I'll explain the concept of completion. Then I'll explain the completion. I'll explain, please understand, there's a artist. The forensic artist means, if you just describe, he will do your sketch. So, person A comes and sits, she herself describes how she looks and he draws. Then somebody else comes and describes the same person, onlooker. So that sketch is also done. Always in all cases, the onlooker's description sketch looks more pretty because you never believe you are beautiful. Always you underjudge yourself. You do not look at you with more friendly eyes. Your mamakara is always something lower than what you are, something smaller than what you are. All of you got it? Because it is such a scientific method. See, these forensic artists, you know, these guys only paint the terrorists and all. Somebody comes and robs or planting a bomb. So you don't know who it is. So others describe how he is, how he looks. They sketch them. So it's such a beautiful way of making you understand you are more beautiful than you think. Actually, with completion, visibly you will see you are so beautiful, just you're changed. Actually also your body, the look, the way you carry, you will change, and you will also feel you are more beautiful, more loving. Understand? So, this is the most sacred journey we are starting. Swapurnatva, first Swapurnatva. I'll describe and give you the essence, then there should be some debates and arguments and all that. So that I'll sit and I'll be judge and you can argue with Mama Nisha. But I'll continue to sit and guide and give you finally what you need to understand. See, it should always that the step-by-step truth should be told by one person, the ultimate truth should be revealed by another one person. If I reveal the ultimate truth directly, you will never be able to catch it. And if I tell step-by-step truths, then you will question my ultimate truth statement. Getting it? You will question the authority of the ultimate truth. So step by step it has to be revealed. That also through Kandana Mandana. In Sanskrit we have a word called Vada Pradivada Kandana Mandana. Truth can be realized only by arguments. So you have to sit, but arguments not for the sake of beating the other, but for internalizing. Arguing to internalize, arguing to internalize, arguing to internalize. Understand? So even that yesterday person who commented, she came and completed with me in the darshan. I am so happy. So now you see, I am also complete. I am complete. I was already complete, I have no problem. But now you see, the whole thing has turned, yes, she had a doubt, but not for throwing away reason, but for internalizing. Then this doubt is worthy. It can be, even me spending time on it and answering, everything is worthy. Same way, the argument should be done for internalizing, not for throwing away. So let me give you the first step in Swapurnatva Kriya. First, make a conscious resolution with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. I am being complete. I declare to myself, I am completion. Then, after this declaration, you start the process. Have the mirror. Yesterday, the incident you relived to discover the pattern. You understand? You lived an incident to discover the pattern. Root inner image. Now, you will relive the same incident to complete. All the three statements. So you got three statements from an incident. Now you will relive the same thing for completion. How many of you did not get? Please raise your hand. I'll repeat. Listen. See, yesterday the context was, again and again you relived to remember these statements. That was the purpose. Now you will go through, means bring that past to the present moment and relive for completion, means the impact of that incident, that root incident over your inner space will die down. What that root incident created in you, that will melt away. Getting it? Relive, maybe 3 times, 4 times.